Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Maria Teresa Vestido Valeria, 34 years old, from Batiano, Ojongan, Romblon, Philippines. I'm married and I have 5 kids. I finished my study at Romblon State University. I graduated with college degree. I love children. I can take care of them, help with their homework, and keep them safe. I can also do housework, laundry, ironing, and cooking. I have experience working in Philippines year 2022. I work for a family taking care of their children and doing household chores. My main duties were taking good care of children, bathing, feeding, and playing with them, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, and cooking. I promise to be your long-time employee and I will not leave you easily. That's all. Thank you.